Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I will show you how to download and install PIP on Windows. Then there is the first question, what is PIP then? So PIP stands for Package Installer for Python. This is a standard package manager for Python used to install and manage libraries and packages from the Python package index. Here is the download link. You can go directly over here and download. Thereafter it is the installation command. I'll show you step by step so that you can follow this video and do it for yourself too. So in order to download this thing, we need to open any browser. I am opening Google Chrome browser. Go to google.com. Then here type pip download for Windows. Then you will get the first link. Click over here. Thereafter you need to select over here Windows. After getting Windows, scroll down, you will get a link over here. That link I showed you before. You can go directly that link or you can click it over here. Click over here. You will get a Python file over here. Thereafter you need to right click, then save as. Save as anywhere you can save on your system. I am saving this one in my C drive. Here is my folder software testing. I will create a folder over here, new folder, it is called Python. You can save it anywhere. Just for organizing purpose I am doing in Python folder, then save it. Before saving, just copy this file name, copy, okay, save it. So once it is saved, then open that folder. Without opening folder, you can do that thing too, but I am going that folder directly. C, software testing, then Python. Then you need to open command prompt from here. If you open command prompt in another way, then you can navigate in this folder. Thereafter you need to install. Here CMD, that hit enter from keyboard. Here is your command prompt. It is open from that location. Now you need to check that pip is installed or not, first thing. So that command is PIP space --version. Let's see. You see, pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means pip is not installed over here. Thereafter you need to write your command Python. Then you need to paste that file name, whatever we copied. So then hit enter from keyboard. It is installing. You will see the progress over here. You see, it is collecting PIP, installing collected package PIP. You need to wait little bit, it will install. Successfully install PIP -25.0.1. Now we can check that it is really installed or not. So here is our pip space --version, then hit enter. Once you will hit enter, you will see that is installed or not. It is installed. As I mentioned earlier, pip is needed for many different purposes, many packages, Python package install like pandas, numpy, and also streamlit. There are many different purposes pip is needed. I believe those who are new in Python as well as pip install, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.